Sometimes God will take you the long way, and you'll question everything. Why isn't it happening faster? Why did that opportunity fall through? Why am I still waiting? But what if his no was really his protection? What if his silence is stretching your faith? What if he's not denying you, but he's developing you? See, you won't always understand the route, but he sees the storm you are being rerouted from. You're not behind, you are being built. Trust him, even when it doesn't make sense. Because one day, it will, and you'll realize the delay wasn't denial, it was divine.